I really should have thought this through because I have to find a way to end this video. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 2, I can't do the number 2, of July 2018 Box Week. Really quick, if you are brand new to my YouTube channel, Box Week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel because it is the one time every month that we spend 7 consecutive days together, me and the Just Like Drew crew. So if you want to be in our crew, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. Otherwise, we're going to get into tonight's video, and tonight I'm really excited because we're opening the Macy's Beauty Box. I'm trying to flip this around. I've got it all kinds of twisted on my lap here. Macy's Beauty, this subscription has now officially been out for like an entire year. It is a $15 per month subscription box. It's kind of hit or miss. Either you get like really awesome products or you get kind of like whatever products. I'm hoping that this month it's like awesome products, obviously. And I want to let you guys know that we are going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is right here. We started a new one last night on my channel, and basically I'm gonna set this box over to the side. Hopefully it doesn't like annoy everyone with it being there. But it is the coolest thing that we do on my channel now. It's my favorite thing. Basically I take items from my subscription box, I put them in this box over here. Once it's full, I put out a giveaway on my YouTube channel and basically just tell you how to enter and then pick somebody at random to win it. So this is the 4th one that we are doing on my channel. We just started last night. So I've got my man, Mr. John Wayne here to help me open up this box. I'm really excited tonight. I don't know. I just have a good feeling about this box this month. I could be wrong. It could be the feeling could totally be in vain, but I just like had a feeling like I was like Macy's is gonna like do me right this month. I don't know. Alrighty. So this month's bag looks like this. It has hashtag Macy's Beauty and it has like the big red Macy's star, but it's also really big. I love the bags they give out. I always think they give out like the most bomb bags in their boxes because they're really great for traveling. They're really sturdy and like really long lasting. And then inside, oh my gosh, you guys, oh, I was right. This is awesome. They have a 10 off of $10 code in here today. So every month they give you a 5 off of $5 beauty purchase. This month they just gave us a 10 off of $10 purchase. You can go on their website, buy something from Beauty, and it all ships free. So something I like to tell people, buy face masks and you're gonna get like free face masks. I seriously, like Tony Moly masks, you usually get 2 of them for like $6, so you can spend like $1 and get free shipping on 2 Tony Moly face masks. That's one of my favorite beauty hacks. When you get the $10 one, you can even like broaden your face mask horizons and get like something even better or whatever you want. But I absolutely love when they give the $10 one out. Okay. So, I'm pulling out the inside package. Ooh, it is really full. Y'all, this is a big package this month. I'm excited. I told you. I had a feeling. I was like, Macy's is just gonna like come for it this month. All right, the first thing that we have is Lancome Bifacil Eye Makeup Remover. Okay, so this actually is one of the very best eye makeup removers on the market, period. I don't buy it because it's really expensive, but I will be real with you. It's soft, it's gentle, and it removes absolutely everything. This is gonna go into our stockpile giveaway box. I want somebody to get to try this. This is a really, really awesome product. All right, the next item that we have is The Ritual of Hammam, I don't know how to say it. H-A-M-M-A-M, if you know what that is. A purifying ceremony for body and soul. Refreshing foaming shower gel. Oh. I don't know how I feel about that. It's a foaming shower gel. Okay, it's fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. I'm gonna keep this just because I've never tried a foaming shower gel before, so that just seems weird and interesting for me to try, so I'm gonna keep that and check that out. Next we have Clarins Tonic Body Treatment Oil. A firming and toning, looks like a body treatment oil. I'm gonna put this right into the giveaway box. I've said before, like when I get like certain skincare items or like even body care, I like putting those in the giveaway box so you guys have an opportunity to try stuff like that. All right, the next item that we have is Si Passion by Giorgio Armani. It is a fragrance. This is what the packaging looks like. Hopefully it smells good because I'm spraying it in my room right now, and you guys know I'm weird about smells. Like, I don't know. And it's been a tough one. I have been sneezing like crazy every day, so I'm like hoping it doesn't irritate my allergies. Ooh. You know, I don't totally hate it, but I don't have my full sense of smell right now, so I'm actually gonna have to try this again a different time. It kind of has a really like warm, sexy scent to it. I don't totally hate it. I might actually keep it and try it out. I've been thinking about getting a new fragrance in my collection since I'm always so limited on what I like, so we'll see. All right, the next thing that we have is the Professional Pore Primer from Benefit Cosmetics. All right, it's like a mini sample. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box too. I've tried this product a few different times. It's a really, really awesome product. And it looks like our last item that we have in our box is Prevage Anti-Aging Daily Serum from Elizabeth Arden. Ooh, it's a serum from Elizabeth Arden. I'm actually gonna try this. I haven't tried any products from Elizabeth Arden in a while, and I've noticed that like I go through serum like water. It's crazy. So oh, there's not a lot in here. I'm like squeezing it and nothing's coming out. That's a little bit of a bummer. Ooh, it's kind of got a yellow-ish tint to it. Okay, I like the way that it feels on my hand. So a lot of times you might be watching videos when people do unboxings and they test products out and you're like, how do you know if it actually feels like it's gonna work on your skin? So for me, how I always kind of can tell if I think something's going to feel nice on like my face is the way that it actually rubs into my skin. So it's really weird, but sometimes like the more skincare products that you test out and try, you can actually feel a lot of times when you rub them in, it kind of gets like a like almost like a firming texture to it. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but you can kind of tell when it's gonna be something that's gonna give your skin like more like tightness and a little bit more like elasticity, and this felt like that on the back of my hand. So I definitely like the way that it feels. So I'm gonna try that out. All right. So let's recap this box really quickly. We got the Clarins Tonic Body Treatment Oil. That is going into our stockpile giveaway box. See, I left this over here so I wouldn't have to be like reaching over a million times. We got the Lancome Bifacile Eye Makeup Remover. That's going in the giveaway box as well. We got the Prevage Elizabeth Arden Serum, which I tried on the back of my hand, which I'm excited to try more. Oh, the Professional from Benefit Cosmetics. That's also going in the giveaway box. I'm just doing it down the floor now since I dropped the box already, like a genius. My bad. The Ritual of Hammam, I don't know how to say it, I'm sorry. A purifying ceremony for body and soul. This is a refreshing foaming shower gel that smells like eucalyptus and rosemary. And the Passion, I don't even know how to say it, Giorgio Armani fragrance, which I'm going to try again later to see how I like it. And you know what, since it's the end of the video, I'm actually going to squirt some of this on my hand to see what it looks like, because or into my hand. I feel like, oh, see, that's weird. That was not what I thought. Oh, it foams up after. That is weird. Oh, the scent is strong. Woo! That was unexpected also. Okay, this is like really strong smelling. It smells like a spa, like intense spa smell, but also this, oh. Sorry. It's also like it foamed up after. Like I squirted in my hand and didn't foam up very much, and then it foamed up after the fact. Also, it's like clearing out my sinuses. That's actually really, really intense. We also got the 10 off 10 voucher in there, so we paid $15 for this and then got 10 off of 10 coming. I really should have thought this through because I have to find a way to end this video. I'm gonna be back. I'll be right back. Don't even worry about it. All right, and I'm back. Okay, so, oh, I got some on me. This is so awkward. Oh my gosh, what is the deal? And my hands smell really intense. I kind of regret that whole part of this video, but at the same time I don't regret it because I feel like now you know what it's really like with this product. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew for the same links down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of box week, where we'll be hopefully adding a lot more awesome items into our stockpile giveaway. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Ouch hone. So that is not this one, not the icky one. We're just gonna throw that because I probably need to throw that one away because it's dried out and I've wasted it. I feel bad. But the new one is gonna be going into the giveaway box. All right. Me? Yeah. This hand stuff I put on my is crazy. Okay, I'm back. Apparently I left the video running, so that's cool.